Hey, we're road tripping. Joseph's on the left, driving, and Jeremy's in the back. And this cloud, nothing on the right, nothing on the left, and this motherfucker is in the middle. So what'd you think it was, Joseph? It looks like a funnel cloud trying to form?
It looked like one tried to form and just kind of didn't really happen. And again, I don't claim to be a meteorologist or nothing like that, you know.
There's nothing over there.
You know, almost in a way, it almost looks like it could be a big ass dust cloud too.
I know.
Like happened like right there, but we noticed this way back.
Yeah, like 5 miles back.
I hope that ain't dust, because
Means we have to shut off the AC.
yeah. Hope nothing's on fire, although it doesn't look.
No, it's not a fire.
Yeah, it doesn't look. I was gonna say it doesn't look like.
I could see right through the. If this was a fire, I could not see through.
Right.
But this camera, because of our prior vision, this camera can actually see right through it in a more clear sense.
Right. It just.
Oh, we are going to go right into that damn thing.
Into the storm we ride.
It spreads out. There, over there.
Yeah.
That's rain.
And it begins. It's a cloud burst. It's just right here. It's not. Hey, I know. Joseph's driving through this area. Let's have it rain right here. And only right here. We're driving through this area, so let's have it rain right here. And only right here. As you can see, we're coming up on clear skies. A little bit and decrease speed slowly because
Yeah, we'll be off the road.
yes, I have really good tires. I do know earlier this week there was a big storm that had come through here, and I know there's a big storm that came through here, and matter of fact, 166, this area right here was actually, I don't know if it was this area, but I know 166 was closed because it was flooded out. But again, it's just right here. Okay, I have got to slow down. I do have an alternate route to get home tonight. It means going through Paso Robles, but and then Wasco, and then coming back down.
Well, I don't even know how. This is just a rare little occurrence. I heard it's supposed to be 100 or something tomorrow. I'm not sure about your area, but in my area it's like 101 or something.
My area is usually whatever the temperature is in hell. It's usually about 5 degrees above.
Mm-hmm.
So.
And the rain's subsiding finally.
Coming to the end of that mini cloudburst that happened just right there. just right here, I guess, and we're still kind of on the edge of it.
Now this is something for Vendetti right here. You don't usually get cloudbursts like that.
If you do, they're usually like,
Wide.
Yeah, it's a wide area, bit of rain, not. Unlike most people in California, though, I actually know how to drive in rain. I've driven in a Category 1 hurricane, so.
Oh shit! This area?
No. You don't get hurricanes here.
We're in the clear. I'm gonna try the review mirror.
Almost reminds me of our more recent trip where we went on a 3-day tour, the Melee Tour 2015, and something I was kind of clowning Ricky Ruffin on is, you know, they say that temptation song "My Girl" when it's cold outside. I've got the month of May. It was pretty damn cold outside.